Joe, the people are worried. They want to know if you could bring your saw back to life.
Already back to life, ready to go again.
It's ready to go again?
Ready to go. When I come back, I'm going to splice up that next piece again in two, in 1 inches, glue back together, and then.
Remember what I told you? Show the people. Don't tell the people what you're gonna do.
Yeah, that's
they
what
don't want you
doing.
to tell them. They want you to show them.
But I know you were gonna put it on put it up right away.
I really wish they would study your brain to know how you click, because you're just like your son Joshua. Or Joshua's just like you. Remember when he used to take everything apart? Joe would have one of those windy clocks and come back and find every screw, every nut, everything apart on the floor.
And I gotta take this apart. They never want to work. I'm driving down to the post office to go mail some books. My wife told me I gotta go to the post office because she's cooking. So I guess I gotta do what the Queen said. So I'm going down there right now, mail a couple of books, and then I go into Costco, and then because I want to go find me a sweatsuit bottom that would have zipper. So when I go to the gym, I could zip up my phone, zip up my wallet, but she don't know that yet, because if I go down there and tell her what I'm gonna do, she's gonna say, well, why are you doing that for? Because it's almost Christmas. You never know what you're gonna get. I sleep with my own eyes. I always remember that. Sleep with your own eyes. So maybe I get one, who knows? But at least if I get one, I buy one, I got two.
So how the ham came out there?
Come out pretty good.
You like your big pot that you bought?
Yeah, I bought a big pot to put the ham in there.
How long did you boil it for?
Maybe about, I would say, hour and a half.
Hour and a half? So that took out a lot of the salt, right?
Yeah, I don't want it to go too long.
So then you still have to fry it now, or it's pretty much cooked? You just fry it to get a crunch on it?
I just like it fried, that's all.
Okay.
You don't have to fry, you can do easy like that. But
What's so special about this ham?
it's a pure ham, smoked
Turn
ham.
on, let's see your face.
It's a smoked ham,
It's a smoked ham.
right? And my sister gave it to me.
Your sister.
My sister.
Well, we like it because we grew up on it in
Right,
Belize, right?
right.
But now Belize is doing their own ham,
We're
right?
doing the same thing now.
But this ham is from where?
It's pretty big.
Virginia? Okay. So he wants me to make him some flour tortilla, huh?
So my sister Sandra gave it to me.
Yes.
Guys, I'm making some flour tortilla.
I made the dough.
Okay. They want me to tell you guys that she made the dough and I'm baking it. Okay. But I fried a ham. This is a smoked ham that smoked for cured for maybe like a good 6 months. You know. At Christmas time we used to get this back in Belize, and I still like it, so. Now, I'm gonna do some eggs. Let's see. Guys, if you want to come and have breakfast with me, come on down. I'll save you a piece of ham and save you a tortilla. And if you want coffee or tea, you could have coffee or tea. But I'm just going to eat one egg. Okay, this first egg is for Bob's, not for me. I don't like, how you call it, semi-side up egg. My egg got to be well done. And she want her eggs to be, let's see. I don't know how you call it. Easy something. Easy side up or whatever. I don't know. So we'll see. But folks, I want to thank you guys honestly for go watch my channel and be here with me and help me to get subscribers and stuff like that. Thank you all for that. And I'm going to try to get better as time go by, because I don't like to talk too much, but I think I got to get used to it. So that's what I'm doing, trying to get used to it. But I promise you guys, as time go by, next year going to be better. I'm going to go out some more, get some more footage and stuff like that. I want to start to take some trips and stuff. Just right in California, not probably out of state, maybe go to San Francisco and all. But it sounds like it's close, but it's like 400 miles from here. And Vegas, well, I go to Vegas all the time. Vegas is only, from where I live, like 280. 280, yeah, about 280 from where I live. From LA is like 300. But Vegas is not all that on a bag of chips, so.
I think YouTube is cheating you, because when you go to your page, it says you have 3,000 watched hours over the past year, right? 365 days.
Okay.
But when you hit the earn button to see if you could turn on super chat, super sticker, and membership or whatever they give you at 500 subscribers and 3,000 watched hours, it says you don't qualify yet. You only have 2,662 watched hours in the past 365. So why do they put 3,000 in the front part and the back part they screw you over, right? Doesn't matter anyways, because I don't know who's going to give super chat, super sticker, super whatever. People don't know how to give that kind of stuff to us. They give it to ratchet YouTubers who's the ratchet thing. So, did you finish this one? You're finishing this Vlogmas Day 15 on the 16th, because things got crazy yesterday with all those cakes that I had to bake, and I couldn't keep up on you filming.
What happened? I mean, why
because we spend the whole day fixing the saw.
Yeah, what happened if we don't put one up every day?
It's every day we promise, and I keep my word. Nobody's gonna beat you.
Well, I keep my word sometime.
I don't keep my word sometimes. I keep my word all the time. That's the difference between me and you.
Okay, here's the stuff.
So wrap up your show for Vlogmas Day 15, and then we're gonna start taping Day 16, so we can have another one up tonight.
Say what?
Wrap up Day 15, so then we could start taping Day 16.
Okay.
We'll have another one up tonight.
Folks, thank you guys again for subscribing, share, like, and comment. And don't forget, without you guys, I couldn't make it happen. It's all about you guys, alright? Bye-bye. I used to do stuff a week. I used to do block every day.
You're still not telling them.